morning everybody. Today I will finish the good morning, and I have written the question answer from last day. Ushmi, are you listening to me? Yes or no? Please tell me. Okay, so last day I have written one question answer. Why is the child in the poem happy? So I have told that the child is getting up early. A child gets up early in the morning and she enjoys the nature. And then today second question I will write. Question number 2. Good morning heading you should give. Today's date please give, and good morning heading also you will give. Good morning heading you please give. Question number 2. Question number 2. Okay, I know that. I have given that work that you will write the question number 2. But today I will write the question number 2 because those who have not written, please write. Okay. Number 2. To whom does the child, can you see the board? Oh, Meeta, you cannot see the board. Now you can just see. I will see that. Now I think you can see the board. Yes. Whom does the child say good morning? Good morning. So Osmi, tell only that. Name. I told that the girl, the child, only name you can write. Child says good morning to the Sifa, you also cannot see the board. Meeta, Mania, Shifa. So anybody, if you cannot see that Shamridha has joined, let me see who is there. Oshmi, Maria, Mirja, Ojoshik, anybody tell that? Rithojit, Protushna, Shamridha Bhattacharya, many days after you have joined, very good. Susan, you cannot see the board. Yes or no only you can write. If you see, you can write yes. Okay, Susan has written yes, so that's why I think you are having some problem for the network. So, good morning to whom? To the bird, to the sky, the sun, comma, after sky, comma, the sun, winds, birds, trees, trees, grass and bees. Okay, so the sky, the sun, winds, birds, trees, grass and bees. Oh Sifa, you can do that grid mode. Mobile, you can go to the setting and do the grid mode. Grid view, together mode you are having. So you cannot see that. So here the child says good morning to the sky, the sun, the winds, birds, trees, grass and bees. So next question, what does the child want to do? What does? Just she told, I am wide awake, I am up now too, I'll be right out. Sifa, please go to the settings and together mode and grid views are there. You should do the grid view. So here sun, winds, bird, trees, grass and bees. So first question only I am rubbing that. Question only I am rubbing. The answer is there. Question number 3. Question number 3 I am just telling. What does the child want to do? What does Samrita Bhattacharya? Meeta, if you are seeing that, I cannot help from here, beta, because if you are having the together mode, you have to change its grid view. Grid view you have to change, then you have to do this. Or once you leave, then again you join. Question number 3. What does the child want to do? Want to do. What does the child want to do? What does the child want to do? Number 3, question number 3, what does the child want to do? What does the child want to do? Child wants to play. Answer number 3. The child wants to. Child wants, Nihar not want, wants to play with her friends. Not only friends, I'll be right out to play with you. You means also the nature and her friends. Okay. Child wants to play with her friends or with the nature. With her friends only we can write. Nian has written the good answer. With her friends in the nature. So that also her friends. Shifa, if you are writing continuously, I cannot help from here, beta. Okay, Susan has completed, and Ayoshmi has told me that she has written from that also home, because I have given that homework. Homework means I told you to write by yourself, because that is very easy answer. So in the morning I say good morning, at night I say good night. A dog says wow wow, cow says moo moo. Good morning in your own language to your friends, your teacher. So talk time. What building? Let's say aloud. What they are telling? That find words in the poem which rhyme with bees. Okay. Page number 2. The bees. Bees, rhyming words. Please tell. Trees. I have completed. Okay, very good, Utkarsh, very good. Trees. So if you want, you can write in the book or you can write in the copy, no problem. Number 2, bees, trees. Number 2, day. Day. Tell me. I'm waiting for you. Away. Yes. Away. Day. Trees. Trees. Day. Away. And 2. Please tell 2. You. Yes. Mirza has answered. 2. You. So these 3 things I have given. So what do you see? The draw in the boxes, that is your homework. You can do in the copy. Page number 3, 2 words each from the 2 pictures you have drawn, day and night. 2 sentences you can, 2 words each from your 2 pictures. That also, if day you are writing the sun, that you can write. If you are write night from the moon, that also you can write. Here, then we can go to the, here that these 3 questions, day and night, pictures I have told, day and night. What do you see? So number 2, box you can write also. Here box is there. I have told you can write by yourself. So box, you can draw. Here box is there. You can write sun, day. You can write moon. Okay. So you can see the moon and also in the stars. Stars you can see. So night time you can see that night, moon, stars, day, the sun, sunlight, not only that birds, whatever you can see, you can write. Whatever you can see, but one thing I am giving to you, because you are now class 3. I will just give 3 words to make sentences. Okay. Number 1, creeping. Do the mix, please. Creeping. Then number 2, play. Please do here. Make sentences. Sun, clouds, whatever. So make sentence. Creeping. Creeping and play. Anybody? Here they are writing the creeping grass. So you can write the worms, W-O-R-Ms, worms are creeping on the lawn, L-A-W-N, creeping on the lawn. Ojoshik, if you want, but you have to make one grammar copy and also one text copy. So if you want to do for that drawing, you have to draw for the book, but writing makes for making sentences, you have to write in the copy. So the worms are creeping on the lawn. Next also I told play. The children play on the playground. Children play on the playground. Nihan, do the make sentence. Play on the playground. Nihan, Oshmi, Protyushna, please. Whatever, whoever, Shamridha Mondal is there, Mirja is there, anybody, please write that. Nobody is typing? Please write the make sentence. Please do the sentences, please. 3 questions I have already written. So this chapter has completed. Next day I will do the grammar class. Okay. So awake, I have given one word. He awake not, he awakes early in the morning. Okay, he awakes. He after S or ES we are already adding. We know that. Yes, very good, Mirja, very good. So everybody, this is for you. 3 or 4 make sentences you will write, and next day I will start grammar. Oshmi is typing. Yes, Oshmi, please write. Oshmi Pal, Maria Tobasum, Mirza Sahib, Nita Hajra, Nihan Chaudhary, Ojus. Okay, Susan completed. Ritojit Ghosh, Rishabh Mondal, Shamridha Mondal, Saptaridha Das, Saptarshi Kundu, Utkarsh Kumar. Okay. Those who are present, write P or I will give the P. I have already taken. So if you are having any problem, please tell me. We want to awake. Hey, awake and get up, same meaning, beta Ushmi. We want to awake in the morning. So awake and get up, same meaning. So get up, you should rub it. We have to awake in the morning. Okay. We are awaking early in the morning. That is the thing. Okay. But you are trying, that is the good thing. Okay, I know that you are present. Thank you. Have a nice day.